All right, guys, we got a 2004 Ford F-150 XLT Triton, 5.4 liter. Got a bush guard on it, a little bit lifted. They've been watching our channel for a while, so they finally got down here to get it done. So it's got high flow cats there and there. Then what we did on it is true duals, as you guys can see right there, all the way back 2 1/4. They wanted it to clap, so we said, we got you. So as you guys can see, and we ran it out the sides on each side, there and there, into our signature 5-inch angle cut tips by 18. There and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is. True dual all the way back. There's the muffler and tailpipe that was on it that we cut off right there and replaced it. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Ram 1500 HEMI. 2006, one of the OGs. Let me show you guys what we done to it. Converter. If you know our videos, when you see them crossed, you know what that means. True dual, straight pipe, all the way back. And we did it in 2 1/2 on this one. Out on each side, right there, and right there. Up over the rear end there. Really nice, clean job. Guys outdid themselves as usual. And then out the back into rolled 6-inch tips. Because you know what? Why not? It's a big truck. It needs big tips to show off what it can sound like. And we always like to go with 5 or 6-inch tips to give it a little bit more tone, a little bit more sound. It gives it a clean, deep tone. And it's just throatier. It just gives it a cleaner, crisper sound, a distinctive sound. So there it is, SLT, Ram 1500 5.7 HEMI. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 6.0 beast. Throaty, big truck. Huge. She's big. As you guys can see, it comes true dual from the factory, 2 1/2. First converter's right there. They're massive. Second converter is there. And what we did is 2 1/2-inch system all the way back, true dual on each side, this side, and this side. And straight out the back into some 4-inch black roll tips there and there to complete the look. Right there, as you guys can see, there it is. True dual, straight pipe. Only thing on it is the cats. There's the old system that was on it. It's all rotted out, broke apart. So we took it off, cleaned it up for him. He'll get another 7 to 10 years out of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, and you guys see where he's come from. Washington State.
Seattle, man.
Seattle, Washington.
Hey, I just want to say for the video, I myself, I don't let nobody touch my vehicles, but mufflers I don't really do. And just looking at these guys do my truck in under 2 hours, you could tell this place really takes pride in their craftsmanship, man. I mean, the welds, the hangers, everything they did, they cut it nice, uniform. I mean, you can't get a better job. You can definitely tell this place takes pride in their work. It's just quality, man.
Thank you for the kind words, brother.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you for your work, brother.
Absolutely. We appreciate you. You can tell it's loud just by the starter. Wow. 120 so far. Again. Again. 120 on the sound decibels. What do you think? It's so loud. Perfect?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. And then it's funny sound. Toyota over there earlier. 121, that's crazy. Those high flows make a huge difference.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's so loud. Look at that thing scream. Comments. Do you like it? Perfect?
Yeah.
That's what you want. That's what you came here for. That's idle, guys. So the idle, it's pretty clean, quiet. then that's idle right at 74, 75. Nothing crazy. Go ahead. And it comes alive. Can I look at his face? You like it? Yeah. All right. That's exactly what you wanted, right? Yeah. Go ahead again. Dude, it's 121. That's crazy. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 122. Let you guys hear it close up. Go ahead. The whole shop is shaking. Go ahead and back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. This is our shop, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Come and see us. I love the look of this, the 45s. This gives it a really nice clean stance. You guys can see on the truck. Just it shows just enough stainless steel to make it look clean. You never want to stick them out too much because they don't look right. But right there is perfect. You see it from the side here. It's nice and clean. It's so loud. I love it. They never disappoint the Revs, man. That 5.7 HEMI, baby. You can't beat that 5.7 HEMI. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah.
That's a pretty sounding thing.
That's what it's supposed to sound like. Yes, sir. Your sound decibels. 119, bro. 119. That's awesome. Supposed to sound like. That's sexy. 2004 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 liter Triton. True dual 2.25 all the way back, high flow cats into 5-inch tips. I'm gonna give you guys a double header, and that Toyota's true dual too. We did that yesterday, and he brought his buddy today. That's what we like. Everybody bring their friends. So you like the Ford or the Toyota Tundra? You guys let us know. Which one you guys like more? Ram 1500 06, the OG. And they sound better with the OGs, man. They're just loud. It's a whole different beast. True dual straight pipes with 6-inch tips. Heavy, baby, beast mode. Heavy. You can't not beat a HEMI, guys. 6.0 all the way from Seattle, Washington. We appreciate him coming out. I think he likes it. We appreciate his kind words too. Beast mode. Yeah, but wow, you can still hear it.